If you are trying to take photos with the inbuilt flash, you might have noticed that the photos don't turn out as good as the photos taken with soft light. So while using inbuilt flash, we generally buy diffusers. I, I will show you a simple technique to use to make a diffuser. If you have a bulb like this, instead of throwing it away, just break the top part. Next, you will have the top part like this. Put a hole on this side and on this side. Use metal wires and bend this part over here so that it fits into shoe mount on top of the SLR. Just like this. And there you have a flash diffuser. This is a simple technique. I will show you some photos that I have taken with this. They turn out really good. You can also close the flash if you don't want. You can pop the flash, and if you don't want this and use the normal flash, just move it aside like this.
So you can see the difference between having this diffuser and not having one. This is without the diffuser. You can see there are no details on the cup. Here you can see the details. You can also use your everyday items like this. See the difference with and without this one.